Hi, I'm Katie. If you're looking for a used portable roll forming machine, knowing where to start can be tricky. As with purchasing new equipment, it's important to find someone reputable and to see the machine in person before you put any money down. Here are some ideas of where you can look for a used portable roof panel machine or a used seamless gutter machine. Roofer's Coffee Shop or Metal Coffee Shop. If you're looking for a used portable roll forming machine, Roofer's Coffee Shop and Metal Coffee Shop have classified sections where you can search by region, keywords, trade name, or filter by whatever it is you're interested in: products for sale, job ads, or projects. From there, you can request more information from the seller by providing your contact information and writing a message. NTM Machine Distributors. NewTek Machinery works with various distributors to help sell portable roll forming equipment worldwide. Some of them even sell pre-owned NTM machines and refurbished equipment that are certified. Not all of NTM's distributors sell used roll forming machines, so for help finding one in your area, reach out to one of our sales team. Roofing Industry Associations. Trade associations are ideal for those new to the industry to network and keep up to date with all the latest in roofing. If the website doesn't have a specific classified section, using its network of suppliers and industry professionals can still come in handy. Referrals and other roofing contractors. Word of mouth goes a long way, and using referrals from other roofing contractors is a tried and true method of finding quality portable roll formers. Internet and online dealers. Searching eBay, Craigslist, and social media groups or forums can be a good way to finding a specific model of portable roll former you may be interested in. Just make sure to do your research, vet your contacts and websites, and be diligent when looking at or purchasing anything online. When looking at used portable roll forming equipment, no matter the source, there are some precautions to take into account before you put any money down. Make sure you check the condition of the machine inside and out. Be sure to ask the person or company selling the machine about past or current issues the machine may have had. Ask them to see any maintenance logs they may have to find out how the machine was taken care of or if there were any service repairs. Also, check for any hidden issues inside the machine you may not see right away at first glance. Where the machine was stored, how well it was maintained and taken care of, how often it was used, and the environment where it was operated all play a part in how well the machine will run when you purchase it. Ask if you can see and test the machine in person. A common problem that happens when purchasing anything used is not looking at the product or checking its functionality in person. Running the machine is the most important thing you can do when purchasing used equipment. Inquire about the machine's specifications and profile availability. Some used portable roll forming equipment may not be able to run the profiles you want to produce. Be sure to investigate the machine's specs as thoroughly as you can, including the profiles that are available, the internal working parts of the machine, and what materials it can form. Consider the availability of replacement parts, especially if the used machine is an older model. A big disadvantage of buying used machinery is that there's a chance the equipment isn't warranted. Consider the availability of replacement parts, especially if the used machine is an older model. A big disadvantage of buying used machines is that there's a chance the equipment isn't warranted. This is important to consider for your machine, especially if you need replacement parts or service. For machines that may have a limited availability on parts, you'll have to contact the manufacturer to see if parts are even kept in stock anymore. Although NewTek Machinery doesn't deal in used portable roll forming equipment, we can assist you with good places to look or refer you to some of our own distributors who sell used equipment. Our service department can also inspect or refurbish used machines for a cost. Please feel free to contact us with any questions about the purchasing process or if you want to know more about used or new roll forming options. Thanks for watching.